This video will demonstrate the proper installation of interior translucent vinyl graphics. The tools needed for this installation include Rapid Tack Cleaner application fluid, spray bottle, 4-inch scraper, and towels to thoroughly clean the glass. 2 squeegees for installation. Thoroughly clean the glass using the Rapid Tack and a 4-inch scraper, ensuring every inch of the glass is scraped clean. Once finished scraping, apply another round of cleaning solution and wipe clean with towels, paying extra care to the edges where most of the filth has been moved to. The process for this installation is known as wet mounting. Once scraped and wiped clean, use the Rapid Tack to again thoroughly spray the surface of the glass. Begin removing the backer from the graphic. As you pull the backer away, spray the graphic with Rapid Tack until the backer has been totally removed and the entire graphic has been sprayed. Transition the graphic to the glass. Since it's wet, you will be able to adjust and reposition the graphic at will. Once in position, use the squeegee to apply the graphic by pushing out all of the fluid currently between the glass and the graphic. It can be helpful to have a slippery surface so you can spray the front of the graphic with Rapid Tack before you begin squeegeeing. As the fluid is removed, the adhesive will adhere to the glass. Once installed, use towels to wipe away all of the excess fluids.